If you get any magomago for mind inside the elections wey go shele for 2023, no reason am. Presido Buhari na him talk this one. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don talk say he dey everly ready to protect im pipo interest on top the coming elections. He yarn this one when he receive members for diplomatic community wey come im house to join am break Ramadan fast. He come talk say he don already make move against obodo magomago for the elections wey dey come, say im administration dey gidigba to achieve free, fair, transparent and credible 2023 elections.
I am committed to bequeathing a stronger culture of credible elections to Nigeria than I met. Those planning to rig the forthcoming election should think twice, because I intend to resolutely protect and defend the sacred will of the Nigerian people to be expressed through the ballot box.
Presido wey put mouth on top the Russia-Ukraine palava come talk say make them settle the matter wey dem get sake of their people wey dey suffer on top the matter. Say him agree with the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres for them to stop the kilikili for the two countries.
Cost so much and hurt too many people. The United Nations must continue to actively lead the way for engagements that could ultimately unlock peace through diplomacy.
Presido come yarn members of diplomatic community one or two wahala wey him dey face inside him administration, say make them help am reason the matter.
As you know well, Nigeria has made significant progress in combating the Boko Haram group in the northeast. We are, however, recently confronted with new tactics deployed by the enemy to threaten our democratic values, as well as the common peace and freedom we enjoy in this country. I am very confident that the security situation will soon be brought under control.
Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Zubairu Dada, and Dean of Diplomatic Corps, Ambassador Salahideen Ibrahima for Cameroon, come here Presido when he call them to come break Ramadan fast with him.
It's an opportunity I believe we all cherish and welcome, and look forward to more of such opportunities that will bring us together.
Please be assured that the international community will support your government to achieve a hitch-free election.
Ebo Sereme Ubinome, TMC TV News.